Inkjet versus laser printers. Welcome to this comparison of inkjet and laser printers. In this presentation, we'll explore how each technology works, their strengths and weaknesses, and how to choose the right one for your needs. Executive summary. In short, laser printers are best for speed, reliability, and cost-effectiveness when handling large amounts of text. Inkjet printers shine when it comes to high-quality photo printing and are better suited for low-volume, occasional use. Ultimately, your choice should be based on what you print most, how often you print, and your budget. Laser printers, how they work. Laser printers use a laser beam to create an image on a drum, which attracts toner powder. The toner is then fused onto paper using heat and pressure, producing sharp, long-lasting prints. This process is efficient and ideal for high-volume document printing. Laser printers, advantages. Laser printers are much faster than inkjets, making them perfect for large jobs and busy offices. They offer lower cost per page in the long run, thanks to durable toner cartridges. They are also highly reliable, less prone to maintenance issues, and their output is resistant to smudging and fading. Text quality is exceptional, with sharp, professional-looking results. Laser printers, limitations. However, laser printers are not the best choice for high-quality photo printing. They also tend to be larger, heavier, and have a higher initial cost, especially for color models. Inkjet printers, how they work. Inkjet printers spray microscopic droplets of ink directly onto paper through heated nozzles. This method creates precise, detailed images and text, making them highly versatile. Inkjet printers, advantages. If you want stunning photo quality, inkjets are hard to beat. They are compact, more affordable to buy, and can handle a variety of media types, from glossy paper to cardstock. Inkjet printers, limitations. The trade-off is speed. They are much slower than lasers for large print runs. They also require regular use to avoid clogged print heads, and ink cartridges can be costly and need frequent replacement. Conclusion and recommendations. To sum up, choose a laser printer if you need fast, high-volume document printing at a low cost per page. Go for an inkjet if you prioritize photo quality, print infrequently, or have limited space. By matching your printer choice to your printing needs, you can save both time and money while getting the results you want.